Hello friend, I am fine and I know that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Unity is Strength, the farmer and his sons. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. There was an old man, he was about to die. He had 3 sons, they always quarreled among themselves. The old man was very sad about it. He wanted to teach them a lesson, so he ordered them to bring some sticks. They brought them. Then he asked them to tie the sticks in a bundle. Then he asked them to break it. They tried their hard but could not. At last he told them to untie the bundle. They did know. The man told them to break them. They broke them one by one. Their father told them that they were like sticks. Nobody could harm them if they were united like the stick. United you stand, divided you fall. So dear friend, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friends, bye. We will meet in the next video.